see we've got some steel wheels we just pulled out of the oven. We've already primed them, so they're looking good. I think we're gonna powder coat them bronze. If we get a better look, you can kind of see what they look like when you just get them primed out of the oven. He's just starting to powder coat them right now. We're gonna do some kind of bronze color. I think they're gonna turn out great.
Hey everyone, this is Eric with Jorgensen Collision Center, and we just did these steel wheels. They turned out fantastic. See if you can kind of get a better view of it. Super smooth. Color turned out great. I actually love these. So yeah, bring in your rims, bring in your motorcycle parts, your bike parts. Yeah, we can do it all. I'd say this is definitely, yeah, you can powder coat it. It turned out great. Hey everyone, this is Eric again, and yeah, we did powder coat this. We used a heat gun on this and then powdered these plastic glasses here. Turned out okay. Not super clean, but the details are pretty well covered. Chipped in a couple spots. I think that's just because it's plastic on plastic. But here you can kind of see up close how they look. No lenses. Lenses disappeared. Sorry about that, Jackson. But yeah, they kind of will powder. I don't know. Let us know what you think. Check us out next week.